1:30 a.m. Friday. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected for portions of south central and southwest Illinois, including the following counties: in south central Illinois, Clinton, Marion, and Washington; in southwest Illinois, Madison and St. Clair. Until 1:30 a.m. Friday, numerous roads remain closed due to flooding. At 7:28 p.m., local law enforcement reported roads underwater in the warned area due to heavy rain, including Highway 4 south of I-64, Highway 161 near Scott Air Force Base, Old Staunton Road east of Edwardsville, and Highway 37 south of Salem. Multiple rural roads remain underwater. Some locations that will experience flooding include Belleville, O'Fallon, East St. Louis, Collinsville, Edwardsville, Fairview Heights, Swansea, Centralia, Glen Carbon, Shiloh, Highland, Troy, Maryville, Salem, Muscuda, Pontoon Beach, Centerville, Breeze, Lebanon, and Freeburg. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.